Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change the option to lock our phone when the screen turns black. For example, right now, when the screen turns off, we have a few second delay before the phone is locked. To change this option, we have to go to the settings. Then we're looking for lock screen option here and secure lock settings. We have to confirm our lock, and here we have auto lock when screen turns off. Right now, as a default, it's 5 seconds. Let's change it. Let's say immediately. Now, when the screen turns black, the phone will be locked immediately. We can change, of course, to whatever we want from here. There is no custom option, but we have a fairly wide options. I prefer immediately for security reasons. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.